Okay, so this video is going to be another around the house small fixes. So many years ago, I'm in my bedroom and I hear this water dripping down, and it was a steady stream. I woke up and I looked up and this water was coming down from the ceiling. So there's nothing with water above me, so it let me know it was the roof. So I just stuck a pot under it and I went up to the attic and I could just see the steady flow of water through the sheetrock. Actually, I didn't even have to take it down. And it was just pooling and then coming down into this room. So the guy next door to me begged me, to let him have the job. He was going to fix my roof. I said, okay, go ahead. And then he made an error. So the shingles, instead of putting the roof cap on top like this, it was like this. So it was still leaking a little bit, not a lot, but it was still doing it. I could tell it was still doing it. So then I got these other guys to go up there and they fixed it. So it wasn't like this. They put it like this. So this is the roof cap, right? And it was like this. And so once again, well, I said, that's a whole lot better, but I just got this feeling it's still doing it. So I will say the first guy told me that he thinks like a little tornado came and just like put two holes in my roof, like skipped across my roof because the shingles came off. Oh, okay, whatever. So I finally called Tony Davis. I called Tony Davis and I said to him, I just need you to go up there and do it. I've tried other people. Just go up there and find out what's going on. He went up there and told me my roof is great. It's new. Nothing wrong with it. He says it's just your air vent is damaged. He just squeezed it with his hands, bent it back in shape, stuck it back in there. I mean, he could have really taken me for a lot of money, and he didn't. Peace, Tony. Thank you again. So it's Tony Davis, Time Perfected Construction. All right, so now I'm left with the work inside the house. I can do stuff inside the house. I'm just not getting up on any roofs. I'm not. I even have a safety belt, but I'm not really ready for that yet. So today I'm going to do something. I'm going to do the small damage ceiling first. I have 3 ceilings in this house that need repair. This is from the story that I just told you, so I'm going to show you a picture. And today I said, I just want some epoxy or some compound. I'm just going to slather it up and I'm going to scrape it down. Scrape off the part that's raised till it's flat, then smooth it over. I just need a patch right now because this room, the other thing I'm going to do is take down the moldings at some point and put them up the correct way. The person that put them in here, they didn't miter the corners or anything, and at least I know how to do that. So I'm going to take them down one day, miter all the corners, and then just repaint this room. So that's a project for the future, but right now I just want to fix this crack, and it keeps like it wants to sag down. So I just want to get rid of that right now. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do today. Eye protection back on my eyes. That'll be helpful. And that's basically, I think, enough. Smooth enough. I wish this was, you know what, I have those button things. I think I can put those on there. But I think that's going to be good enough. So now I'm just gonna put it on there. I was looking like an easel. That I could use that seems to work. I'm not getting as much on the. I wish I had a tray. Something, but that's okay. You know what I do? I put it there and I kind of squiggle it like that, and then I use the larger side to like smooth it out, and then it stays more controlled and nothing falls on the floor. Yes, Ilani. Then I got another technique. I can use this spatula. So I put the compound on here, and I can scrape it off with this one and put it up, and it's way more controlled for me, and it doesn't drop on the floor. And it's not making a mess, and it's coming out pretty smooth.